Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 570 gaming 8G. Then hit enter. After that you can see search your graphic card on this website and then click on the product. So you can see this is 2.0, 1.0, 1.1. Click on any because driver same, and then click on support. Save your operating system Windows 10, 11, 7. All operating system installations process same. Select NVIDIA driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it will take some time and depend about your internet. Then click on three dot, it is completed, and then click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.